I'm gonna take this transition strip off. Not 100% necessary, but I don't need it here. And when I go to remove this carpet, because I am changing that out, it should make it easier. And this will give my bottom plate a nice flat surface to sit on. And now I'm gonna measure for my bottom plate. When I say bottom plate, I just mean the bottom of the wall has a 2x4 that the studs sit on and you can attach the studs to. So you need something here to attach. You can't really go through the tile. Of course you could, but that would be not very easy. So take a measurement, 38 and 5/8. Right. You can use a circular saw for this, but I just so happen to have a chop saw, so I'll use that. Set it down on this side. We're good, we can attach it. To attach this framing, you don't need a framing nailer. I am gonna use 3-inch construction screws. Obviously, if you have a framing gun, that's great, you can use that. And to attach this bottom plate, obviously I have tile right here, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is mark this right here. I don't even really need to attach it in the middle, but I'm just gonna mark that and just try and sneak one past right here. If it goes through the carpet a little bit, that's fine. I'll just get one screw right here. So I'll mark this, 2 3/8, right about here. So I want to go right there. And then on the sides, when I put this in, I have space right here to go down to the subfloor. On the other side, it's a little less. So if I have to, I can just angle into the other bottom plate and that'll be fine. Make sure it's lined up one more time. I don't want to crack a tile, so be careful here. I'll see if I can get one right in here. Okay, again, I don't want to suck that down too much because I don't want to crack a tile.